Hello guys, so we will see how to connect Java with MySQL database. So first of all, open your MySQL command line. So enter your password and write command create database and whatever you want to name your database. So our database has been created. Now let's move back to NetBeans. So before writing code to connect our Java with SQL database, what we need is JDBC driver, which is responsible for communication between Java and SQL. So first of all, just go to projects and click on libraries and add jar file. So the jar file name is MySQL connector. So here it is. And if you don't find it here, just go and Google it and just download it manually. Click on open. So our library has been added. Now we need a class जहाँ पे हम लोग we can write the code to connect our Java with SQL. So create a new Java class and name it connection. Sorry, connector maybe. So class has been created. Okay. So for connecting our Java with SQL, we will be needing classes of SQL package. So before moving further, just import the SQL package of Java. Import Java dot SQL dot star. So it will import all the necessary SQL packages. Sorry, SQL classes. Now just write a method. So public static, and it will return connection. So connection and name it class. Name it your method. So connect DB. And now what you need to do is just get the connection. So we will be using connection tag, connection attribute basically. Connection URL and just write driver manager dot get connection. And here you need to specify the URL. So our URL will be basically JDBC. It's JDBC, and after that we are going to write MySQL, then localhost, and after that just write your package name. So sorry, it's not package name, it's basically our database name. So our database name was demo, so we'll write demo here. Now write the username of your SQL database. So generally it is root, and write its password. So 1 2 3 4, okay. And just return the connection. But we're seeing an error here, like clause for SQL exception. So it might throw an SQL exception. So what we will do, we'll just put this code inside a try catch block. So just try put this code here and just write the catch exception, and here we can just print the exception if anything occurs, and it will return null since our connection was not established. So now we have written this command. Now we need to call this connectDB method to check whether our database, whether our Java code has connected with database or not. So just write the main method and just call this method connectDB. So okay, and let's see what it shows. So if you see something like this, like then our connection has been established. But if there is anything wrong, then it will be null. Like instead of demo, just write demo1. So our database name, we don't have any database named as demo1. So let's see what it gets output. So you can see the exception here, like Java null SQL syntax error exception, because we don't have any database named as demo1. So I will just remove that. Again, it's working fine, like our Java code has connected with SQL database. So that's it. Thank you.